box appeared on the screen. Just observe. The plant image is disappearing. At the same time, some other rectangular boxes are appearing. After that, I am going to click on one of the boxes. It shows something related to the content in the box. Then I'm going to click on the next one. Again, it shows another picture related with the content in the box. Then I'm clicking on the next box. Likewise, we can create any number of shapes or images to come in our presentation. It is a type of animated content which will be used to evaluate our students. Now we are going to create a content, this one. Now I'm going to open a new presentation. We have already mentioned many times, if we want to work with the animation, the stage should be blank one. Just I click on my slide in left side. Then I move to make a right click, then move to layout. In layout, I select a blank one. So now my stage is empty. What are the things we have seen in the previous slide? First, a box is there. In that box, some content is there. So now I want to create a text box. Here, instead of text box, I select a shape. I'm going to insert a shape. To insert anything into our presentation, we should go to insert. In insert, I go to shape, click on shape. Then I take a rectangular box in there. Just you should drag it. We can get a rectangular box in which I am going to type the content, what I want to type it. Before that, I want to decorate this shape. After selecting this one, format option will be automatically enabled, in which if you are inserting a box or any shape, this column is enabled. Shape fill. By clicking on shape fill, we can change the color in the box. Then shape outline. Then the next one is shape effect. So I click on shape effect. It shows many things, in which I select the bevel one. In bevel, there are many appearances there. I select one of them. Design of the box is something changed. Again, I want to change something. Again, I click on the shape. Again, I go to shape effect. In shape effect, I go to again bevel. At the bottom of the pop-up, there is some other options, 3D options. I click on it. This pop-up is appeared. I'm going to increase the height of the box inside my box. It can be adjusted. Here, 3D format, top bevel. Inside, there are two criteria. One is width and another is height. We can change the height or we can change the width. Anything can be changed by go to 3D options. That's all. Now I am going to type something in it. Before that, I want to change its color also. To change the color, I go to shape fill. Here many colors are there. I want to give one more color which is not inside the boxes. I am going to more fill colors. This option is available. Now I want to give some pink shaded color. I move there. By adjusting this one, the color in the bottom is changed. Below there is blue color and above one is the color what we have selected now. It means the bottom color is what the color at present inside the box. The top one is what the color we have selected to change here. I select this one. It will be changed. Suppose I want to give this color. I select this one, then click on OK. The color of the box is changed now. Okay. Now I want to type.
Sir, please repeat that bevel option, 3D option.
Okay. I delete the box now. Again, I am going to insert. In insert, I draw a rectangular box. I want to change the color and something related to the box. I select the box. After selecting any shapes or images, the format option will be automatically enabled. Below format, these are the things we can change. Here, shape fill. It means we can change the color of the shape. Then another one is shape outline. Then the last one is shape effect. I am going to give shape effect to appear just like a button. So I click on shape effect. Many options are there. For button appearance, it is better to choose bevel option. So I am going to bevel. In bevel also there are many options. Here, this button I want to give for my button. So I am going to click this one. Then next, I want to increase the size width of the bevel inside the box. The box is already selected. So I want to go to shape effect. In shape effect, again come to bevel. After going to bevel, in right side, I am going to 3D options. In 3D options, the height and width of the bevel can be adjusted by going there. I want to increase the height. That's all. Is it clear now?
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Now I want to change the color. To change the color, we have to go shape fill. Otherwise, we can click on here and in right click, we can get fill. Otherwise, we can go to format shape. These are the various availability we can use to change the color, line, and so on. Here, I go to fill. Various colors are there. I'm going to select the pink one. For that, I'm going to more fill colors. We can select fill one here. The color can be changed by moving the cursor over the color. Here, bottom of the pop-up, there are two colors appearing there. One is with blue. The second one is what the color I have chosen now. The blue color means what the color is present inside the box at present. The upper one is what we are going to change. The changing color, not here, this color will not be automatically come to here. We have to adjust or arrange the line arrow mark just right to the line. I am selecting this color and select on OK. Now the color is changed. Now I want to type our topic now. What the topic we are going to do is parts of the plants. Parts of the plant. Okay. To change the color, you need not select the text in any text box. After typing any text inside the text box, you need not select the text. Just click on the box and go to home button. If you change the color in the font, automatically the color inside the font of the box will be changed. Now I'm going to give the yellow color. I click on yellow. Otherwise, you click here, then select the yellow one. The color becomes changed. I want to increase the size. Then I want to change the font into bold one. That's all. Suppose if you want to change the font again, the size can be changed. Before that, what are the other things we have seen at the beginning of our scene is this one was appeared, and the image of the whole plant is also appearing there. So I want to insert the picture of the plant. Here I inserted. I already downloaded and stored in my computer. That's why I have brought the plant directly into our scene. After clicking on insert, various locations will be shown. If you select
Sir, voice break out.
in my desktop in the name of day, click on the picture. I open the folder and click on the picture, and after click on open, the image will be brought to my slide. Kekudapa?
Okay, sir.
Okay. We want to give some instruction to the students to click on parts of the plant. So we have to add some instruction by means of an icon. For this purpose, I am going to insert an arrow mark. To insert anything, we should go to insert. Here now I want to insert a shape arrow mark like this one. So I click this arrow and just simply drag on my slide. The image will be appeared here. The shape of this arrow can also be by changed by moving to shape effect. I am repeating the same step, going to bevel and select this one, and after that again the same place. Now this time I am going to 3D options. It can be as you like. It can be done as you like. Again, I want to change the color of this arrow mark. Already the pink color is there. So I simply click on it. The color of the arrow mark is changed. In the arrow mark itself, I want to type. You need not right click or double click anything. Just select your arrow mark. If you type anything, it will be automatically typed inside the arrow mark or any shape you selected there. I want to increase the size of the shape. So I select the shape. Now the color become not color, the size is changing now. That's all. Now I want to give a small animation. The click arrow mark should be blinked for some time. So I am going to animation part. It is already in the stage, but it should be blinked for sometimes. Already inside the stage, we are going to add some animations. For this purpose, I have to go add animation. Then we should go to emphasis. In emphasis, there should be blink option. Suppose the option is not here, you just move to more emphasis effect. There in exiting, there is an option called blink. I click on blink. Then again click on OK. Here we completed one animation. We have many times seen, suppose one is there. Now we are going to animation pan. I closed this one. In animation pan, only one box is there. That is, we have animated only one object in our slide. In animated object, there is a number 1. We have seen many times 1 means the animation starts when we click on mouse. I'm going to change it. It should be automatically played when the scene is started. So I'm going to click on start with previous. Okay, that's all. Now we are going to see in slideshow mode. It is simply one time happened. I want to repeat it again. So go there. In timing, go to repeat, click on down arrow, just click on 2 or 3 times as we like. We can choose any option in that box. I am clicking until end slide and then click on OK. Now, if I click on parts of the plant should be disappeared. At the same time, the click also should be disappeared. For this, this plant image is to be disappeared. We have to give some animation. What type of animation we have to give? It should be disappeared. For anything in the stage should be disappearing, we should go to animation, then add animation. It should be disappeared. So I am going to exit. If we are giving exit, the character or any object we are giving animation should disappear. Now I am selecting fade 1.
Sir, please repeat every step twice, sir.
Okay. After inserting parts of the plant, if we give a click on parts of the plant, the image of the plant should be disappeared. For any character or any object in the slide disappearing, we should give exit in animation. So I am going to select the image and I am going to add animation. In add animation, I move to exit. In exit, various options are there. For this picture, I select the fade. Already I have given, so I removed the recently one I have added. Okay, but this animation, when it should be happened? What is our task? When we are clicking on parts of the plant, it should be disappeared. For this, we have to do a small thing. What is the thing? Just to go to animation pan, select on the second animation we have given and go to down arrow. There, go to timing options. In timing options, there is option start, delay, duration, repeat, and the final one is triggers. Here we are completely going to use triggers. So click on triggers. Then 2 options will be enabled. One is animate as a part of click sequence. Second one is start effect on click of. Here is something. Now I am going to click on start effect on click of. Just listen what I am doing. Just click on start effect on click off. After make a click at this circle, here something is shown. Here is a down arrow. Just click on down arrow. There are 3 things shown there. What are the 3 things? The rectangle 5 parts of the plant. That is this one. Second one, picture 7. That is this one. The third one is arrow right 8 click. So all the things in the slides are shown here if you select start effect on click off. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. We need one more explanation. Sir.
One more time. Okay.
Yes, yes.
We are going to give some trigger part. This picture should be disappeared at the click of this one. So I have to give first disappear of this picture. Select this one, add animation, in add animation, exit, exit, in exit, I am giving fade effect. Okay. Then select the down arrow, go to timing. In timing, there are many options. Here I am going to triggers. After click on triggers, two options are there. One is animate as a part of click sequence. Second one is start effect on click off. If I am enabling this start effect on click off, here a down arrow is there. After clicking the down arrow, we can select anything in our slide. Is it clear?
Okay,
There are 3 objects in our slide. Now I'm going to select the rectangle parts of the plant. What does it mean? If I make a click on the rectangle parts of plant, our picture, the animation, what I have given here, disappearance. It will be happened. Okay. I simply click on OK. Then automatically trigger rectangle 5 parts of the plant is shown in our animation pan. Now I am going to slideshow mode, going to from beginning. Arrow mark is there. I have given until end of slide, so is clicking there. Now I'm going to click on parts of the plant. Our picture is disappearing. Clear? Now this one also should be disappeared when after click of the parts of the plant. So when the plant one is disappearing, at the same time, the arrow mark also should be disappeared. For this, I select on the arrow mark. It also should be disappeared. Disappearing means we should go to animation. Then in add animation, we have to give any exit option. I say for this also I select fade on. Okay. What is the animation given to the arrow mark is appearing here. When it should be disappeared? When the picture is disappeared, at the same time the arrow mark also should be disappeared, but it is above the picture. Now I want to, we have to bring that animation below by means of two arrow marks. We can move the animation. Again I brought it back below the picture. At the same time both should be disappeared. So I select the second animation, click on down arrow. This animation should start with the previous. That's all. But I want to give the picture should be disappeared slowly. For increasing the time duration, I am going to click on the down arrow. Again go to timing. In timing, the duration is 0.5 seconds and also shows very fast. But I want to, the picture should take at least 2 seconds to disappear. I give 2 seconds here. Then click on OK. And the same effect I'm going to give to arrow mark. For this also I select arrow mark and down arrow, select timing. It is also in 0.5 seconds. I change to 2 seconds. Then click on OK. Now I'm going to see what does there happen. After click on parts of the plant, both arrow mark and plants are disappearing. That's all. What other things we have seen in our demo? At the same time, when this plant is appearing, at the same time, other contents are appearing. Now I'm going to introduce the contents. Going to insert, select shape, in which I'm going to draw a rectangular box. All the things, I repeated all the steps what I have given for the rectangular parts of plant. I'm going to bevel. Then again, I think this height is enough. Then I'm going to say shape fill, same color is there. For this also, I'm going to take this color. That's all. I'm going to introduce the content. I'm going to type something. Here I'm going to type root. Select that one. Going to home button. Change the color. Increase the size of the font. Make it to bold. That's all. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This button should appear at the same time when the plant is disappearing. That is, when I click on parts of the plant, it should be disappeared. At the same time, this root box should be appeared. So again, I want to select the button. I want to give animation, but this time I am going to add animation. Why should we go to add animation? This box should be appeared. Okay, the picture should be disappeared. So I went to exit mode. Now this box should be appeared. So I'm going to entrance, in which I am giving the same fade one. Okay, but then it should be happened when I click on parts of the plant. Again the same step. After giving any trigger movement or any trigger animation, the last animation we have given is appeared at the top in the animation panel. We can see below play all, there are two things, and after that there is trigger option. I am going to select the root box. Here the second one is selected. That is, this is the animation given for root. But when it should be happened, when I click on parts of the plant. So again I am going to click on the down arrow, go to timing. In timing, I adjust the time. Then go to triggers, start effect on click of, when it should be appeared at the click of parts of the plant. Here many things are there. I select parts of the plant rectangle, then click OK. Now we can see what the things happen. I'm going to click parts of plant. Is it clear?
Sir, there is a symbol of mouse.
Where?
In the animation pane, sir.
Yeah, it should be appeared with the previous.
Okay, sir.
That's all.
Okay.
Again, we see. When click on parts of the plant, both the image and arrow mark disappeared at the same time. Root is appeared. Then we have to bring the animation for the root one. For this one, I am going to create a rough slide. Move to left side, click on new slide. I select the picture. This is the rough slide only. I will delete it. It will be deleted after some times. I copy paste the image. Now I want to bring the root image of the root. I select this one. After selecting a picture, format is enabled. In format, I'm going to crop. Select crop. I'm going to drop the root. Click at any other places. Just remove the animation appearing there. I select the root. I copied it. Paste my root here. Now what other animation we are going to do is, when we click on the root, the image of the root should be appeared. When we click on the root, the image of the root should be appeared.
Sir, you made the second slide?
Yeah, wait. I copied this one for different purposes. Copied into second one. I want the root image separately from the same picture. I want the root picture from the same picture. So I copied the image, copied the plant, then I paste it in different slide.
Okay,
In
sir.
that slide, I'm going to crop my root. Click on it, go to format. Go to format. In format, there's a crop option. I select on crop. These rectangles has been appeared. By dragging this one, we can choose the portion what we have to crop or cut. After selecting this one, make a click on any other place. The portion will be automatically cropped. Then I copied the image. Again, I come to the first slide and pasted it. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Now what should be happened? After click on the root, after click on root rectangular box, this image should be appeared. This image should be appeared. So now this root image is to be animated. I select this one, going to animations again. This time the root image is to be appeared. For this, I am going to add animation. In add animation, I am going to more entrance effect. In more entrance effect, to look something better than ordinary animation, I am going to give basic zoom. Then I click on OK. I select the image and resize it something larger, and we can place it at the same place. Nothing will be affected. Now the animation we have given is at the top. But when this animation should be happened, at the click of the root. So I should move to the down arrow. Again go to timing. In timing, when it should be happened, we are going to trigger. Then start effect on click off. When it should be happened at the click of the root box. Here rectangle 9 root is a option there. I selected there. Then click on OK. Then automatically another trigger option is appear in our animation pack. Now we are going to see the scene again. I click on parts of the plant. Again I click on the root. Clear?
Yes, sir. Very good.
Then the root image should be disappeared. Before that, it will look nice if the appearance timing will be little bit smaller. Sorry, I increasing the time duration. I'm going to increase the time duration to nearly 2 seconds or 1.5 seconds. And after the appearance of this image, it should be automatically disappeared after some time. So again, we have to add one more animation. To add one more animation, we should select the image and go to animations. We have to add one more animation. So we should go to add animation. In add animation, it should be disappeared now. I'm going to exit and fade. Here observe clearly, last animation we have given us disappearing. This disappearing is at the top. But when it should come after the appearance of our root image, it should be disappeared few minutes later. So I click on this animation. By using down arrow, I bring this to bottom of our right animation pad. Here it appears to, it means it also happens after the click, but I need not the click. It should be appeared after the previous. So I select start after previous. It will be nice. It takes few seconds later after this appearance. So I'm going to change the timing. In timing, I change time duration 1 second. Then the disappearance time also I want to change to 1.5 seconds. These 1 second and 1.5 seconds are to appear look nice only. You can change, you can choose what you like. Then I click on OK. Now you are going to see what does it happen there. I click on slideshow. Then going to from beginning. What we are seeing, I am going to click on parts of the plant. Our plant disappear and root appears. And I am going to click on root appearing, and after some time it disappears. Clear?
Yes, sir.
I have cropped, I'm not going to crop another images because our time duration is very low. I select the root, copy paste it again. I am going to change the root into leaf. I select this leaf. The animation is at the top, but when it should be appeared at the click of the parts of the plant, parts of the plant's animation part is here. So I select this rectangular box, then bring it down in this group. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Now I'm going to add a particular image for leaf. I go to insert. I already downloaded the image and click
Sir.
it. My image. This is the previous slide. This is somewhat like previous animations. I select this one. Going to animations. This should be appeared at the click of leaf. So I'm going to add animation. In add animation, I select fade one. The animation is at the top, but it should be appeared. I'm going to timing. It should be appeared when I click on the leaf button. So I click on start effect on click off. Just click on down arrow. All the characters, all the objects in the slides are shown here. Here I select rectangle 11 leaf, then give OK. Before that, I want to change the time delay, time duration. I'm going to change the time to 2 seconds. Then click on OK. Another trigger is automatically enabled. Okay, I want to change this time duration for this also. Okay, 1.5 second. For this also I will change time duration 1.5 seconds. Okay. After that, again I have given appear. I want to change the appearance. I select this one because more than appear, which one is better? In previous animation for appearance, we have given basic zoom. So I give the same animation, then click on OK. The animation is at the top. I'm going to timing, then triggers, then start effect on click off. When it should be happen, when click on the rectangle leaf, I change the time duration 1.5 seconds, then click on OK. After that, the image is to be disappeared. For this, I select the image, then go to animation. In animation, add animation. This time it should be disappeared. So I'm going to exit. In exit, I select fade. The animation is at the top. It should be appeared after the appearance of the leaf. So I bring it to bottom. I want to change after previous. Then I have to change the timing between these two things. Duration, I want the same duration, 1.5 seconds. Time delay, I want to give 1 second, then click on OK. Again, we want to go to slideshow, go to from beginning, click on parts of the plant. Both boxes appear at the same time. Then click on root. Root is appearing and disappearing. Then click on leaf. Leaf is appearing in basic zoom and disappearing. Likewise, I want to go to repeat the same steps for other two parts also. I copy paste this one. Again, you have to make a note of that. Rectangle is at the top. It should come when we make a click on parts of the plant. That's all. Then I want to bring the leaf. Already we have done it for leaf. So I change into fruit. I want to insert my fruit image animations what we did for other parts also. I select this one and go to animations. In add animations, I go to more entrance effect. In more entrance effect, I am giving basic zoom. Click on OK. Animation is at the top, but when it should be happened, I am going to give triggering. Here the trigger is here. Select start effect on click up. When it should come, I make a click on fruit. So we have to search where is fruit rectangle. It is here. I click on fruit, then give OK. Before that, I want to change the time duration. I want to give 1.5 seconds. Then make a click on OK. That's all. After appearing this one, the same image should be disappeared. Just to make a click on the image, go to add animation. This time it should be exit. So I am going to exit. In exit, I select fade one. The animation is at the top. Bring it to bottom. It should happen after the previous one. So I go to select start after previous. I am going to change the timing options. When it should happen. After 1 second. .5 second duration. Okay. Suppose I make a click on parts of the plant. Now these three things are enabling. I am doing last one only. I click on fruit. The fruit is appearing and disappearing. That's all. The one more part I want to add is other part flower. For this also, I copied the previous one. I copy the fruit again. I want to change the fruit into flower. Change the text into flower. After copy paste the animated one, the animate I copy and paste it. The animation also copied. It should be brought to the group. When I click on parts of the plant, I am going to change the text inside the fruit. That should be flower, I think. So my written part is over. Then I have to bring the image of flower. I am going to picture. Then I make a click on insert. Again, I am going to repeat the same type of animation. I select this image and go to animation. When I make a click on flower, this image should be appeared in basic zoom mode. So I go to more entrance. In more entrance, I click on basic zoom, then click on OK. The animation is appeared at the top. it should be brought to bottom, and we are going to change one more thing, timing, when it should be appeared at the click of floor. So here the floor box is here. I click on floor, then it should be appeared at the click. So delay is 0. Time, duration, I have to select 1.5 seconds and make a click on OK. Then another triggering is appearing there. After appearing, the flower automatically disappeared. So I have to go to add animation. This time I'll go to exit, in which I select fade 1, the animation at the top. I brought to, it should be brought to bottom. So it came down. Going to select one. In timing, I'm going to change after previous. You should make some time delay. I give 1 second. Then duration 2 seconds. Make a click on OK. Now everything is over. I think we are going to see our scene from beginning. I am going to click on parts of the plant. Going to click on root. I'm going to click on leaf. Then I select the fruit. Then I click on flower. Okay, our scene is over. Now I want to add one more thing if we are having time. I have to show a small slide like this one. I want to create. I insert another slide. In this slide, I am going to insert picture. I want to remove this color now. This option is not available in the older version. No, set transparent color is available in MS Office 7 also. Now I choose our India map. Then I insert a picture. To remove this background with the help of in format, choose color. In color, there is an option called set transparent color. Click on set transparent color. Then click over the picture. The pixels will be removed. I repeat this step. Going to color. These are the things you have to do of your own. Just observe.
हाँ हाँ
I am going to insert
हाँ हाँ ওটা স্যার বলেছে কথা হয়েছে শুনেছি ওই ফার্স্ট স্লাইডটা দেব না
I'm going to insert a shape.
আচ্ছা
I choose a circle and draw it in Maharashtra. Now what I am going to do is, I select this picture and I have to give some animation. In animation, I'm going to add animation. When should it happen? I'm going to more entrance effect. Like previous one, I am giving basic zoom. Then click on OK. In animation pan, I select the down arrow. Then go to timing. In timing, I have to go triggers. Then start effect on click off. Here, map, this shape and the picture. These three things are available in our slide. Here, these three things are shown. The last one is oval. That is the shape I included in my picture. I click on OK. Then give OK. It means when I click on this one, this picture will be appeared. Go to slideshow from beginning. No. Go to slideshow from current slide. Sorry. Select second slide. From current slide, no picture is there. If I click on Maharashtra, the picture is appearing. I want to disappear this picture. I have to go to give one more animation, add animation. In add animation, fade one, bring it to bottom. It should appear after previous. Increase the time duration. Go to timing. I want to give 2 seconds. Okay. Then select the second one, that is the disappearance. Go to timing. 1 second later, it is also happening for 2 seconds. Then click on OK. Just check this slide. I'm going to click on Maharashtra. Likewise, you can add the images corresponds to different states. That is your activity. Is it clear? Karthikeyan?
Sir, yes, sir. Simon, sir?
Thank you, sir.
Our
Thank you.
class
Thank you
is over.
once again, sir.
This is our,
Thank you so much, sir.
okay. Thank you. Thanks to UTA and all the participants cooperating very much well for this phase workshop. Thank you. Thank you,
Thank
one and
you,
all.
sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, Shaktivel, sir. It's a wonderful session. And really, I'm happy that we have lots of participants from other states. And thank you. And I request